Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel a payment on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the activity icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, check the pending section at the top of your activity list. If the payment is still marked as pending, there's a chance you can cancel it because the recipient hasn't accepted or completed the transaction yet. After that, tap on the pending payment to open its details. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. If the payment is eligible to be canceled, you will see a cancel payment option. Tap it, confirm your choice, and the money will be returned to your account. If you don't see the cancel payment option, it means the payment has already been completed and can no longer be canceled through Cash App. In that case, you can try requesting the money back. Open the recipient's profile, tap request, enter the exact amount you sent, add a polite note explaining that the payment was sent by mistake, and then send the request. If the recipient agrees, they can return the money to you. And that's it. So that's basically how you can cancel a payment on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.